unbelievable base note.
Like and share to help shine a light on the incredible work God is doing in Belize.
Up.
Keep pushing forward, growing, and making our country welcoming for everyone.
Well, tonight it was an adventure. We had a flat tire and we had an awesome experience catching some delicious fish that we're gonna eat tonight. Hora en la noche tuvimos una experiencia tremenda. But we had the unbelievable Leah who came to rescue us. This is what Belize has. Oh, this is freshwater shrimp. Woo. Look at that.
You think it's one girl, one boy?
I think so, but look how big that thing is, chavo. What an experience. Una de las mejores experiencias to have a flat tire with the family at night. It's not the first time.
Like and share to help shine a light on the incredible work God is doing in Belize, both through NGOs and businesses and individuals all around.
Keep it unbelievable, guys.
Keep pushing forward, growing, and making your country welcoming for everyone.
Keep it unbelievable. Don't be scared, be smart. I will see you in the next adventure.
God has blessed many in our country with an entrepreneurial mind. We can't help but share it with you guys when we find them. Join us as we discover and highlight all the beautiful things God has blessed Belize with. Keep it unbelievable.
And keep it unbelievable. Don't be scared, be smart, and see you on the next story.